Hey everybody, Radha Kumari here. It's now day 13 of being locked in the house, aka social distancing. I hope you guys are doing well and you are not bored at home. So here I am with another tip, how to wax your body at home. To wax at home, you may want to purchase soft wax or sugar wax stripes, wax applicator sticks, and wax warmer. Prepare your stripes of fabric. If you don't have stripes already, you can cut up or tear up a cotton cloth. So our wax is ready. It's not too hard and it's not too loose. Make sure that your skin is dry and avoid using oily product before waxing. Apply the wax on your body in the direction of hair growth. Take a stripe of cloth, place it on the wax and smooth it in. Pull the stripe off against the direction of hair growth. Do this very quickly. If you feel your body is oily, you may dust the area with baby powder. Baby powder absorbs body oil and moisture. The number one thing you should remember while waxing yourself is not to rush it. Take your time, make sure you have all the tools you need, and prep the skin. Cleansing and exfoliating can help to ensure the skin is prepared for waxing. This should be done 24 hours before. Wash off the wax from your body with a cool water. I love to moisture my skin with baby oil for an extra sexy shine. And of course, I never forget to apply my perfume. I love smelling good. I love smelling fresh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it will inspire you to wax yourself at home. Just want to let you guys know that I'm always here to help you. Please comment below if you have any question or if you want me to make more videos like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Stay home, stay safe and healthy, and see you guys soon. Love you all. Bye bye.